You have a nice queen-size berth with incredible amounts of storage on both sides. Hanging lockers over on the starboard side, 2 of them. Storage underneath the bed. All right. On the port side, we have a full head with separate shower. And all of the overhead hatches have either screens or shade hatches, shade. So you can have whatever combination you'd like in that. Coming to the back of the boat, we have, again, in this particular version, this is a 3-cabin, 2-head version, and this cabin can be converted into a garage / workshop with additional fridge options. On this side, in that particular option, this bed actually becomes almost a king-size bed back here. So they actually offset the center divider off into that side, so you end up with a slightly smaller garage, but a much larger guest cabin. And then additionally, you have a guest cabin, VIP guest cabin ensuite head option on the starboard side.